Lamso joto nai tonai khaponi takhok tai buku sono my contest Tripura YouTube channel o. Dorok thumbnail nukana job notification kata longkor faikya. Job title post site vacancy kwbangma ongkorka. Group D tai group C ni bagui job notification ongkorka amount singtini nailainai tamtam job ongkorka. Puila norok nugui mantongkana o jaga o. Notification ongkorka amo date 23rd May 2025 advertisement ongkorka norok oro nugui mantongkana aboke miscellaneous post o jaga mention khlaijak group C tai group D post vacancy ni bagui job ongkorka amoke Tripura High Court website oke. Number puila tongo stenographer personal assistant 2 o jaga mention khlaijak. Total vacancy tongo o jaga o 13 13 vacancy tongo aboni bisingo ST rong bagai tongo 08 including ek PWD tongnai SC rong ningke 05 ingka total ingka 13 13 post vacancy tongo abongke stenographer ni bagai ingke oro mention khlaijak tongo pay scale oro mention khlaijak fixed pay ingke mention khlaijak o jaga o 20,475 per month obaike mention khlaijak tai entry level ingke 27,300 obaike mannai te level 9 obahai tongnai ke education qualification nangnai oro stenographer ongke graduate nangnai shorthand nongni typing speed tongna nangnai oro 100 word oro mention khlaijak shorthand tai oro 60 word oboke typing speed tongna nangnai tei computer ni 6 month ni norok course khlaijak hingke computer certificate desipano ba CA course computer application course tongke 6 month ni tongka norok o job apply khlaimannai age limit oro mention khlaijak minimum 18 year maximum 40 year jorate apply khlaimano taisini STSC candidate ek serviceman rok borok 5 year realization mannai ingke borok 45 year jorote apply khlaimano fee payment online tongnai abo hingkangke unreserved rong bagai 500 tongnai online form fill up oboke unreserved rongni tai STSC bongni ingke 250 obohai online form fill up tongnai next tongo amongke lower division clerk oboke LDC oro total vacancy tongo 43 vacancy tongo abon bisingo sini ST rong tongo 33 vacancy including PWD rong bagai ekta post tai ek serviceman borong ni bagai ekta post aboke ST rong bisingo tongnai SC rong ni oro vacancy tongo 10 bongni bo including tongnai 1 PWD tai ek serviceman bongni ekta post vacancy tongnai abong SC rong candidate rong ni bisingo scale oro mention khlaijak norok nugui mantongna 16,050 per month obaike mention khlaijak and entry level hingke oro 21,400 obaike mention khlaijak tongo tai level 7 obahi tongnai graduate hingke oro apply khlaimanai tai oro typing speed bo tongno nango 30 word typing speed oro mention khlaijak tai computer ni 6 month duration course khlaijak obahi certificate tongka norok o job apply khlaimanai age limit tongo oro same minimum 18 year to maximum 40 year jorate apply khlaimanai ingke sini STSC ek serviceman borongke 5 year realization mano 45 year jorate apply khlaimannai fee tongnai o jaga o unreserved rongni 400 tai STSC ingke 200 tongnai next tongo driver post ni bagai aboke unreserved rong bagai simi kaini post tongnai salary mention khlaijak norok nugui mantongkana o jaga o 60,050 obahiken tongnai bongni bo qualification nangnai aboke unreserved rongni amoke madhyamik pass ba secondary commercial gari chalongna bagai driving license tongna nangnai tai 3 year experience driving light motor vehicle obahai experience tongna nangnai abo post ni bagai candidate medically fit tongna nangnai o job apply khlaina angke abongke driver post ni bagai minimum 21 year tai maximum 40 year jorate apply khlaimana 400 unreserved on application fee tai 200 STSC abahike mention khlaijak tongo abongke driver post ni bagai next tongo group D peon jara orderly guard jara sajangnai norok job group D job sajangnai norok apply khlaimana amongke total vacancy tongo oro mention khlaijak 69 aboni bisingo unreserved tongnai 39 including 1 PWD tai 4 EX serviceman tongnai aboke unreserved rong bisingo ST rong ni tongnai 19 19ta vacancy tongnai including tongnai 1 PWD tai EX serviceman 2ta vacancy tongnai abongke ST rong ni bisingo tai AC rong tongnai abongke 11 bongni bo haino including one vacancy tongnai PWD tai EX serviceman ekta post vacancy tongnai abongke group D post ni bagai pure ni bagai ke jara apply khlainai noro apply khlainai rok mano physical mention khlaijak 12,000 enter level 16,000 abai ke mention khlaijak tongo level 1 inke qualification nangnai oro mention khlai medium pass inke apply khlaimanai inke minimum age limit tongo 18 year to maximum 40 year jorote apply khlaimano tai abato sung saimano STS inke 5 year realization tongo inke 45 year jorote apply khlaimanai abongke group D job ni bagai fee payment tongnai abake online mention khlaijak tongo unreserved rong bagai hingka 300 tongnai sini STS rongke 115 keno online form fill up khlaimana abongke group D ni bagai group D ni joton se aro vacancy tongo tai lower division clerk bo tongo hingke norok apply khlainarang mano job laino kahamamo Tripura High Court ni hoite talangjak tongo abongke norok job apply khlainarang mano important notes norok oro nainai di form fill up khaina sikang PRTC tongna nangnai apply khlaina hingke tai oro kwbangma mention khlaijak tongo norok omorokno PDF download khlaikangke norok o instruction rok norok kahamke naimannai oro mention khlaijak tongo online form fill up cholinai 27 May 2025 ni simi 11 AM ni simi 26 June 2025 sarik ni 5 PM jortei norok apply khlainarang mannai abo hingke Tripura High Court website oke jara job already khlai tongkangka norok ek serviceman rok norok no objection certificate nangnai oro mention khlaijak tongo tai important dates oro mention khlaijak thasingo saitangka ang online form fill up tongnai oro mention khlaijak tongo tai oro date selection test tai download admit card rok omo olo nong taisa notify rejangnai abongke LDC ni bagai jara lower division clerk apply khlainai nongni exam ni syllabus tai oro mention khlaijak tongo written examination tai baiba busuk mark ni ngnai tai typing speed busuk ni mark ni ngnai oro mention khlaijak obongke stenographer ni bagai jara stenographer norok apply khlainai nongni syllabus 2 hours ni time duration tongnai written examination 85 mark ni tongnai 15 mark ni baiba tongnai tai short hand tai typing speed oro mention khlaijak tongo norok omorokno kahamke nainai di obongke jara group D ni apply khlainai nongni 2 hours duration written examination 75 mark ni ngnai tai 25 mark ni hingangke interview ongnai abongke jara group D ni friends song abo hingangke Tripura High Court ni website oke katal job notification ongkharmani norok tabungno thangai notification download khlai teb kamke sina bagi naimano video ni description no link direct mannai noro ara thangai PDF file download khlainai mana ebeka website oka thangai Tripura High Court ni website thangai norok PDF download khlainai mano ke norok jara qualification milinai apply khlainarak baidi vacancy kahamno 125 tongo total tai sini ST SC unreserved beba khagjak tongoro norok tep kamke sina bagi full details norok PDF download khlainai di tai abo haike ani teibo katal video upload khaipro notification man tongna bagai norok ani YouTube channel no kiabtini katal nai tongke subscribe khai kongka subscribe khaina di tai bell icon sina tapong de katal video upload khaipro nong thani joton se sikang notification thang sogoni bagai